through. Come through. Fucked up parking a little bit, but fuck it, I just bought it. You got boba? I'm not allowed to drink boba right now. Come through, Connor, come through. Dude, yeah, this shit's gonna be fun as hell. Look at this shit. This is gonna be fun as hell. The fuck out of this shit, man. I'm about to mod the fuck out of this shit. Make it ignorant as fuck. I'll make this car. I promise you guys, I'll make this car ignorant as fuck. I'll make this car ignorant as fuck, man. I don't know, bro. Driving this car is fucking fun as shit. You trying to race? You got a Honda Civic? You got a Type R? Dude, I'm about to mod the fuck out of this, bro. I'm gonna make this shit. I'm gonna make this shit like fucking like 7 million horsepower. Oh man, I'm so fucking love this thing already. Smart investment? It wasn't really an investment. I don't really care. It's not an investment. I know. I got slips to tint it and everything. It's just yeah, I gotta come do it tomorrow or something. But dude, this shit's gonna be so fun. The interior is nice too. The interior is nice as hell. Look at the interior. Oh, but nice ass interior. Obviously manual and shit, you know. Got that shit to go on the driver's side, but yeah, thing's beautiful. Well, let's talk about that credit score. Fuck. That's that credit score right there, 802. Rolly got perfect credit. Rolly got really good credit. That's that credit score right there. That's that credit score right there. Yeah. This shit about to be fun as fuck. Rev it. It's not loud yet. It's not loud enough yet, man. Not loud enough yet. I mean, shit, man, we can rev it.
52 degrees, man. I love it.
Yeah, it's not that loud yet. It's not that loud yet. It's not that loud yet, but I mean, let's say it like this, man. It's beautiful, man. I fucked up. Don't laugh at the parking, bro. If I fucked that shit up, I should have took up 2 parking spots. That's what I should have did. This shit's been empty since I got here. What the fuck? Yeah, I'm about to mod the fuck out of this, man. You know how to drive? No shit, bro. If I just bought a manual car, it's because I know how to drive manual. I've never owned a manual car, though. This is the first manual car I've ever owned. I learned how to drive manual because we would fucking, there's this kid, right? You know, he had a fucking Honda EF, right? And when I was in high school, and we take I had a spare Honda key, and I break into his car, right? I drive his car to go eat food. That's where I learned how to drive manual. I drive his car, right, to go get food and come back, right. So he started. I had to park his car in a different spot, and then he started realizing this, right. So he started parking the car across the street. So we'd take his car and we'd move it fucking other places just to fuck with him. We'd fuck with him all fucking day. We'd just move his car all the damn time. But I always go buy food during my open period, you know? Yeah, so, Johnny, you're not drunk. But that's where I learned how to drive manual. I learned how to drive in high school. But I never owned a manual car till right now. This is the first manual car I've ever owned. Yeah, Masvidal got knocked out. Yeah, I heard that. It happens. It happens to us all. Not me though. Hasn't happened to me yet. This is well worth it, man. I tell you, man. Y'all gonna see, bro. I'm trying to think what kind of mods I can do, even exterior, like just cosmetic mods, all sorts of things. So. The warranties, I ain't getting no fucking warranties because I already know I'm mod the fuck out of it. So I'm already voiding the warranty. Why am I going to waste money on warranty if I'm going to mod the fuck out of it, right? If I'm going to mod the fuck out of the car, why am I going to waste money on warranty? First mod, well, I mean, obviously, you know, I don't know how I'm going to do all the cosmetic ones, but I mean, I'm obviously going to tune it. I'm going to change the exhaust, you know, air take, all that stuff. Change the fuel pump, you know. Give it a fuel pump. So I mean, I got a few things I'm gonna do, you know. My interest rate 2.5. Were you looking for somebody?
Yeah.
I'm over here talking shit to these people on fucking live right now.
My boy got that estion.
Hey, that's the name of it. I'm telling you, that's the clap right there. It's chlamydia.
You better get that bitch checked, bro.
That bit don't need to get checked. The only person checking that shit is cops if I get pulled over. Yeah. Big props for doing. Dude, I wish they still made Evos, honestly, bro, but they're still fun, man. Dude, I'll tell you, man, this shit like driving a fucking go-kart. The car meets across the street. Like, they have a car meet across the street right now, look. Yeah, but dude, I got a fucking 2021, I got a fucking brand new car, 2021, you know? I'm not gonna get no fucking Evo, fucking, the best Evo I can get, 2015, already miles, already got so much fucking wear and tear on that shit, so. Do you really think I want to get a fucking Evo? It's not worth it.